everyone, how are you all doing? My name is Vince if you are new to the channel, and today I'm going to Greece, which is going to be like super exciting. And currently I'm at the airport, and we just checked in. I was kind of worried about the check-in because I'm bringing a lot of electronical stuff like drones and stuff like that, but there wasn't any problem, so that's great. And yeah, we're going to board in like a minute or something like that, and I hope you guys are going to enjoy this trip. So yeah. So we finally arrived to Greece, and yeah, the landing was successful and the flight was just good overall. We saw some stunning landscapes at the end of our flight, and yeah, it was pretty enjoyable. And after that we had lunch and then came to this place. We are going to stay at that apartment. And yeah, I am currently at this beautiful Triopetra beach, and we are going to spend the next 7 days here. And I'm going to try to make one video every day, but maybe every second day. So it's gonna be pretty epic, and I'm pretty sure that I am going to get some banger drone shots here at this area, because it's just absolutely stunning. Like, look at this landscape, it's so beautiful. Look at that. Anyway, so I'm going to update you guys if anything like special happens. Until then, I will just have some relaxation because I only slept 3 hours, I guess. So yeah, until then, peace.
Now looking back, eyes on the freeway, Bonnie and Clyde, a classic cliche. We're on the run, this is what we waited for.
Guys, I think I just pulled off my best gimbal shot ever with the Crane 2 right there, right next to these like rocks, and it looked so amazing. I'm so pumped to edit it, but yeah, I guess that's it for today. Tomorrow I will do some very cool thing, but you know, you will know what's that tomorrow. So thank you so much for watching, guys. I hope you enjoyed today's video, and if you did, make sure to hit the subscribe button and also turn on the notifications, because YouTube is not sending you notifications if you just subscribe. So make sure to hit that bell, and then you will get notified anytime I upload a new video. So anyways, thank you so much for watching again, and I will see you tomorrow. Until then, bye.